Hello, welcome to my channel. It's very close to Thanksgiving, so I thought I'd bring you all a Thanksgiving video. If you have seen my past Thanksgiving videos, I have uploaded them after Thanksgiving, just uploading a Thanksgiving what I eat in a day video, which I bet is still interesting, but I came to the conclusion this year that it does not really help anyone because I'm posting it after Thanksgiving. So this year, it is a few days before Thanksgiving, and I'm going to be making a giant Thanksgiving feast in advance to be able to show you guys what a good vegan Thanksgiving meal looks like and what you can do, and some simple meal ideas. Just want to say, none of this is super elaborate, it's all super simple, but I think that's super helpful because, I mean, I think I can cook, but I'm not some 5-star chef, and likely all of you aren't either. So here's some simple vegan Thanksgiving ideas that I hope can help you out and give you some meal ideas. Of course, you can switch things out to your preferences and what you like, but yeah, let's get started. First of all, you're probably gonna want a vegan roast. There's a ton of different brands. I'm today using the Gardein one because that was just what was at my store. I really like this one, and I also do really like the field roast cranberry butternut squash one. I'll put up a picture. That one's my other favorite. I would prefer the field roast one, but they did not have it, so this one is really good as well. Get whatever vegan roast you like, and if you've never had any of them, I guess just give one a shot. Hopefully you end up liking it, and follow the instructions to cook it. Of course, every vegan roast takes different amount of times to bake, so you have to figure out what the instruction on your box. But I would say to check before you want to start cooking because they might take a long time. This one takes like 60 to 70 minutes plus another 15, so quite a while, so you want to get that going in advance. That's already in the oven. I put it in the oven earlier. And now I'm gonna get started on the other side dishes that I'm making. And I think that the first two things that I'm gonna be making is stuffing and mashed potatoes, both super easy to make vegan. I just picked up this random Sprouts cornbread stuffing from Sprouts, obviously, and it happens to be vegan. All you need to do is add onion, celery, butter, which I'm just using vegan butter, and it says chicken broth, but I'm gonna use some vegetable broth. Super easy to make vegan. And then mashed potatoes, I'm going to be using some cashew-based cream cheese that I found at the store. I normally use Kite Hill, which is made from almonds, but they were out of it, so I bought this other brand, and I'm gonna hope it's good. And then also some vegan butter, and mash that together with some salt and pepper, and that's it. So both of them are super simple. I'm gonna get started on those right now, and hope you can follow along because, well, actually, I don't really need to follow along. I don't know. Follow the instructions on the stuffing box, whatever brand you get, and I bet it's gonna be super simple. As I was getting everything out, I realized that I forgot to buy an onion at the store. That's one thing I didn't buy, so my stuffing is sadly gonna be onionless, but make sure to buy one if it says that on your instructions. So it's just gonna be celery, which is a little boring, but I don't have one, so we have to make it work. So I've now been cooking for a good couple hours, and my roast is finished, the mashed potatoes are finished, and the stuffing is finished. Now I just have a few more things to do, which I need to cook up some green beans. I was gonna cook them with vegan butter, but I sadly did not realize I didn't have as much as I thought I did. So I used the rest of it for the stuffing. So I'm just gonna cook it up with some vegetable broth and garlic, saute some green beans, and then I need to make cranberry sauce, which I've actually never made myself before. So I have a bag. I just dropped like 12 cranberries on the floor, but I have a bag of fresh cranberries that I'm gonna cook up with some orange juice and date syrup. I'm not using a specific recipe. You can find easy cranberry sauce recipes, but I think I can do it by myself. So we're gonna try that out. And I'm gonna cook those two right now, and then I'll be finished with all of the main meal, and then I need to make part of the dessert. So let's get started on those two. Once I finish those, then we can move on to dessert. I'm gonna pour these in the pot before I spill them all on the floor though. I also don't need that much cranberry sauce. I'm gonna make cranberry sauce for like 50 people. cranberry sauce and green beans. Sorry for this bad lighting. I've been cooking for so many hours, but I purchased a pre-made apple pie from Sprouts. You'd honestly be surprised at how many apple pies at stores are actually already vegan. I believe that the apple pie from Costco is actually vegan, so really cool to check the ingredients. Most of the time they'll use like vegetable shortening instead of butter, so it's great. Okay guys, so my Thanksgiving feast is now completely finished. I'm gonna give you a quick tour even though you know what everything is. Gardein vegan roast, mashed potatoes, green beans, stuffing, cranberry sauce, gravy, apple pie, celery, carrots, vegan cream cheese, olives, crackers.
Why do I want to try an olive the most? I know it's like...
They are jumbo olives. But yeah, so we're gonna plate up. We think it's so funny.
Those are good olives.
Good olives. They're Sprouts canned olives.
I should go buy these.
If you recently moved out like we did, I pretty much guarantee you own these pink Target plates. I think everyone does. The fancy Thanksgiving feast all takes place on these fancy, super fancy, plastic pink Target golden plates. That's all we have.
98 cents, I think. Wow. Or 79.
Either way, they're great.
These olives are so good. Oh no! I'll just do my taste test while you do an actual. Should I just pour some of this? This is like the most Thanksgiving feast I've ever had. Like, I was telling Ashley, my family just does potatoes, turkey, which I don't eat, embarrassing too, casserole, salad, bread. We've never done stuffing. That's a good tofu.
It's pretty good, right? Mm-hmm. They didn't have my favorite one there, so this is my second favorite.
Well, I'm just not a fan of fake meat.
Mm-hmm.
But for fake meat, like, it's not bad.
Yeah.
What do you eat the cranberry sauce with?
Anything.
I've never had cranberry sauce either.
I'll just throw it.
I don't think I like cranberry sauce.
Okay. I feel like a lot of people don't.
I so far really like the olives the best.
They're good.
They're good. Potatoes. Good potatoes.
Nice. This looks like a pretty solid plate.
Green beans.
Not just green beans with like garlic.
The green beans are also really nice.
I'm glad.
Tell your mom the olives were a great idea.
I will. Oh yeah, this was just, I forgot to mention this. It was just pre-packaged gravy that came with the roast. But I'll link down below a vegan gravy recipe if you guys would like. I would say this is a pretty solid Thanksgiving feast though. I'm proud. It took way too long.
Yeah, that took you 4 hours. But it's really good.
So, thanks. And an extra like hour because I locked myself out of my car trying to get these ingredients to ship.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, if you'd like to give this video a thumbs up, I'm not gonna be mad. No, I gotta try the apple pie.
Oh, why? That's my favorite part.
Nice. Okay. Very good. Tastes like apple pie.
It's really good apple pie.
But yeah, I think that's kind of it. Hopefully this gave you some food ideas. Let me know what you're having for Thanksgiving. Let me know if I missed anything. What should I make for next year? Vanessa recommends olives. If you get olives and eat them with your Thanksgiving meal, send us pictures.
No, literally, I will repost every single olive picture I get.
Tag us. Thank you so much for watching. If you got anything from the video, Sprouts jumbo black olives. Goodbye. See you in the next video.